Hi there and welcome. In this video, we will explore how we can create custom result methods. We already know that we can access attributes on our result instance, such as to insert, update, delete, and call other methods. But what if we wanted to introduce custom methods that trigger some specific domain logic on our result rows? Well, it turns out we can do that, and it's actually quite straightforward. Let's see how exactly we can achieve that. Let's say, for example, we want to add a new method on our result. And that method can be quite simple. The only responsibility is that we would like to return a description and importance concatenated through a method on our node result instance. So first things first, we want to have the node result available to us. So we can do something like my node equals schema. We want to access the result set, which is going to be the node, and we're just going to call the first method. So basically what we're doing, we're accessing the node's result set and we're only fetching the first entry. Now after that, we could say that we want to print out node and we want to call a custom method. Let's call it print_data. All right, something like that. If we run this as it is now, we're going to see that object doesn't have a method which is called printData, right? So that makes sense because by default in DBIx, results don't have this method, printData. Well, not at least at the current time when this video is being filmed. So how can we add this method is that we can go to our node results, and at the end of the node results, we can just replace this line that it says you can safely add new relationships and methods here, and we can introduce that method we just have added. So we can say sub print_data. And here we're going to get the self item, which is going to be the instance of the node. And all we want to do, we want to return self description, and we want to concatenate that with colon, space, and self. And we can say importance. All right, so that looks good. We have the method, we are returning description, concatenating that with importance, and just returning it. Now, if we try to rerun the script now, we're going to see that we're printing the node from user 1 and the importance of number 1 as well. And if we check the nodes, we're going to see that the first node is from user 1, so node from user 1 and importance equals 1. And that's pretty much how you can trivially introduce methods on your results. So note here, the result is actually the current context of the result instance. So you're not limited to doing such trivial things as simply returning the data. You could, for example, do something like self, update, and then you can update the data for the specific result, or you can delete it, or do anything that you want. Remember, the self context is the current ref of the node instance or whichever result you're using. So all the methods we have explored before will be available to you when this node result has been constructed. And you can go pretty wild with this. You can introduce whatever custom logic as you want. And when you regenerate these result classes, these methods are going to be preserved as long as you just add them underneath this line that says do not modify anything above. Alright, so that's it for this video. We explored how we can add custom methods to our result classes. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you at the next one.